Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's 2026 and it's the first video on my channel in 2026. I wish you all a very happy new year, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the most requested topic on my channel, and that is MAC lipsticks. So in this video, I will be showing you all of these lipsticks with makeup, without makeup. I will be showing you some lip combos as well, and these lipsticks without lip pencils as well. This is gonna cover all the best shades of the MAC that every skin tone is looking for: fair, medium, deep. Like always, I will be talking through about every shade, and in the end, I will show you all the lip pencil swatches as well. Plus, we are going to wrap this video with final words on these lipsticks. So this is a very informative video, and like always, it's an unsponsored video from Neha Devgan for all of you. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and like you have supported me in 2025, you're gonna support me in 2026 as well. So I'm requesting you, if you like this video till the end, then please consider subscribing, and like के बाद ना hype button भी दबा देना, so that this video can reach to people, friends, family, everybody who's looking for unsponsored reviews should get this video. And now, without a further delay, let's get started. Let's talk about the first shade, which is Velvet Teddy. Now, MAC describes it as deep tone beige, but I feel it has hints of pink. It is not very pinky, not very brown, very balanced formula. Amazing for fair skin tones, but I feel for medium and deeper skin tones, if you will apply a lip liner like a dark brown or a dark pink, it will only beautify the beauty of this lipstick. It's amazing, hydrating, and looks amazing for everyday use and for office wear as well. Captive Audience is a mid-tone mauve sort of a shade. It has neutral undertones with pink mauve shade, soft but noticeable. On fair skin tones, it's gonna look fresh and rosy. On medium skin tones, it looks very elegant and polished. For deeper skin tones, I think it's gonna work best with a lip liner. It looks very classy, subtle, refined, and gives you very party and everyday look. You can just dab it on the lips for a soft look or apply it properly for the full pigment. But it's amazing. Marrakesh is an intense orange red, which is like a burnt orange with warmth in it. It's a very bold color, statement making. On fair skin tone, it's gonna look very vibrant, so you can choose a dark brown lip liner to make it little more darker. On medium skin tone, it will look very stunning and rich, and on deeper skin tone, it looks very powerful. Now you're gonna see swatches of all the comparisons I have shown. You can take screenshots, pause on this video, and check out the proper review. Cool Teddy is a shade which is a cool toned beige nude. Now this has greyish undertones. It's very modern. I think it is amazing for fair skin tones. It looks absolutely amazing on my medium skin tone when I have paired it up with a cool lip liner and under the makeup as well. Otherwise, on the right side, you can see I look almost sick in this video, right? So pair it up with the right lip liner and pair it up with the makeup, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. So choose wisely to fill in. Otherwise, you can skip it if you have medium and deeper skin tones. Let's talk about a lipstick which I have been wearing since years. It's a vivid blue red and the name is Ruby Woo. It has blue undertones actually. So people who are very warm undertone, they can just choose a deeper color, or nowadays I have started liking, dark brown lip liners for my lipstick. So it really gives that warmth to my lipstick. Also, if you have pigmentation on your lips, people with deeper skin, you can definitely use it. So it's amazing for all skin types as per me. But if you want little bit of richness in the lipstick, if you have deeper skin tone, then go ahead with Diva. Soar is my total favorite color. I think it's beautiful as a dusty rose color. I sometimes just apply the lip liner as a lipstick, and they also have a lipstick in this. Here I have applied the lipstick. It looks very soft and elegant, very everyday makeup. Amazing for fair and medium skin tones. For deeper skin tones also, I think it's gonna look a little neutral, but it can be paired with a Whirl lip liner and it can do wonders for your skin tone. Fantastic shade. Lady Be Good is one shade which is like a peachy nude shade. I think it's only amazing for fair skin tones. For medium and deeper skin tones, you can only pair it up with a lip liner. Now here you see how washed out I look, but I have changed the game with the right lip liner. So there you go. That's how you pair your lipstick, and I think it's a perfect example of a nude lipstick. I love this lipstick when paired with a pink blush, when paired with a lip gloss. It is a very versatile lipstick when handled properly and amazing for bridal makeups too. Mullet to the max. MAC describes it as a dirty peach color. This is a very muted peach beige nude color. Not a very bright peach, very soft and balanced. I think this can be your MLBB shade when you are in fair skin tones, but without makeup, it can wash you out deeper and medium skin tones. It's very soft and feminine color, and I feel with the right lip liner that I have used over here, you can definitely use it. Yes, MAC describes it as a neutral nude color. It's a very pale beige nude, very light tone. You cannot use this lip shade on any skin tone until you are using it with a very strong lip liner. So use a strong lip liner, and this is how it's gonna turn out. This is a game changer lipstick, but only for those who knows makeup. Otherwise, it can wash you out and can make you look ghostly too. Warm Teddy is a shade which I feel is for deeper skin tones. It will look amazing on deeper skin tones. Very neutral, very everyday sort of a shade. It can look amazing on medium skin tones as well. But for fair skin tones, I think Velvet Teddy is the shade for you. I'm gonna show you the comparison later as well. Now let's talk about Burnt Spice. This is the lipstick that I've used on my brides for years. Now here you can see it looks little washed out, but I used to pair it up with Soar lip liner or Whirl lip liner. And when you pair it up with the right makeup, or sometimes without makeup, just a pink blush, it looks really beautiful, stays longer, it's very lightweight and doesn't make you feel matte as well. Now on fair skin tones, shades like Mullet to the Max, Cool Teddy, Velvet Teddy and Ruby Woo will look super good. Ruby Woo and Marrakesh can look little bolder and brighter on fair skin tones. And on medium skin tones, Velvet Teddy, Mullet to the Max, Warm Teddy, Marrakesh, Ruby Woo will look amazing. And for deeper skin tones, Marrakesh, Warm Teddy, Ruby Woo, Velvet Teddy and Cool Teddy and Yash with lip liners will look amazing. Okay. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know which one would you like to see next. And if you guys are looking for any substitute for any of the lip liners, because I know sometimes the entire lip combo can become a little bit out of the budget. So if you're looking for some substitutes of the lip liners, let me know in the comments and I will post a reel about that as well. Okay. Also, tell me in the comments which shade did you like on me. On this note, this is Neha Devgan saying bye-bye.